Decoding Article 50 inches for English learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that might have caught your attention in the news or in discussions about European politics, Article 50. Don't worry if you're unfamiliar with this term. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it means. Article 50 inches is not a general English phrase, but rather a specific legal provision. It's part of the Treaty on European Union. This treaty outlines the functioning and rules of the European Union, a group of countries in Europe that have come together for economic and political cooperation. The main purpose of Article 50 is to provide a member state of the European Union with the formal process to follow if it decides to leave the Union. In simple terms, it's like the exit rule for countries. Whenever you hear Article 50 inches being discussed, especially in news or political contexts, it's likely in relation to a country considering leaving the European Union or in the process of doing so. The most famous invocation of Article 50 was by the United Kingdom in 2017 when they decided to leave the European Union, a decision commonly referred to as Brexit. If a country decides to trigger Article 50, what happens next? Let's break it down. 1. The member state must notify the European Council of its intention. 2. The Union then negotiates with that country to arrange the terms of its exit. 3. The terms of exit are set out in an agreement, which needs to be approved by the Council and the European Parliament. 4. If no agreement is reached within 2 years, the state will leave without one, unless this period is extended by mutual consent. It's like a notice period when resigning from a job, but for countries. There you have it. Now when you hear or read about Article 50 inches, you'll know it's referring to the process a country in the European Union follows if it chooses to leave. We hope this explanation has been clear and helpful. Remember, understanding these terms not only boosts your language skills but also keeps you informed about global events. Happy learning!